and get the first 60 days free.
Love does not come first. First comes nice meeting you. First comes getting everything right. First comes getting it a little wrong. Love does not come first. First comes letting you.
Have spoken. A new dawn is beginning. You must embrace your destiny.
I will do everything I can to protect you.
America.
Dad.
Are you all right?
I'm fine.
What happened?
It's broken, but it's going to be all right in just a minute. Now, let's go easy on this arm for a little while, okay?
How'd this happen?
I was in the gym, playing Reese's Squares.
Reese's Squares?
I fell off the ramp.
At your age, you could break your neck.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Continue the compression attenuator for another 2 minutes. Yes, doctor? Can I talk to you for a moment?
I'll be right back.
Will, how old were you when you first started playing Reese's Squares?
All right, I was probably a little younger than he is. It's just that, for all practical purposes, this is my first day as a father. He almost kills himself.
He didn't almost